So when we are saying go and wash your plates, we have a different word for it. And then we are saying go and wash your clothes, we also have a different word for it. Interesting, right? Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, I'll be teaching the Izon language. As you can tell from the title, I'll be sharing some common phrases in the Izon language and also how to count from 1 to 10 in Izon language. Meanwhile, if this is the first time you are seeing this face, welcome. Please do not make it your last. Join the family, turn on your notification and subscribe, okay? And if you're already a returning subscriber, you're already a part of the family, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. With that, let's get right into the video. So I made my first Izon video months back and I've been wanting to make another one. So lately I've been getting lots of traffic from that video and then comments also, and people have been telling me make more videos like this and all of that. So this is the part 2 of common phrases in Izon language. Meanwhile, my girl Fiyai has a channel on YouTube, Allah's Lounge, where she teach the Izon language. So if you're interested in this video, if you enjoyed this video and you're interested in videos like that, you should definitely check out that channel, okay? I will put the link of her last video in the description, okay? I will start with the simplest of the simple, the simplest of the simplest. I and you. So the Kolo Kumo Opokumo language, I is Ari, whereas in my own part, I is Emené, you is Emené. So the Izon language is a really beautiful word. Here are some common phrases with I. Emené. Emené ebieretbo. It means I am a beautiful girl. Emené izontubo. It means I am an Izon child. In Pidgin, Abi Ijaw pikin or Abi Izon pikin. Now I'll be giving examples with you, Emené. Emené enikiara. It means you are my female friend. Emené ebitubo. It means you are a beautiful child. Now I'll be looking at she and he. She is Emené. He is Omené. I know you will hear lots of mene, mene, and mene. Now I'll give examples. She, Emené. Emené amafa. It means she is not in town. Now let's go to he. Omené higo Wari amunde. It means he has gone to school, or Omené sukulu amunde. They still mean the same thing. He has gone to school. Now let's look at some common words in Izon language. The first one is ba. Ba means tell / told. For instance, ba kodia Emené bominao. It means tell him I am coming. When ba comes in for told, you can say Emené ba kodia Emené Emeno tarimao. It means I told him I love him. I know the Ijaw version sounds long, so I'll just take that again. Emené ba kodia Emené Emeno tarimao. It means I told him I love him. The second word is fa, which means finish, and it can also be used for not around. For instance, Fiyai wara fade. It means food is finished at home, more like foodstuff. Omené fa means he is not around. Now our next word is Wari. Wari is like one of the most common words you will hear in Ijaw language. Wari means house. So let's say, for instance, someone asks you, "Yetioke mia, where are you?" You will say, "Emené warke mi." It means I am at home or I am in the house. So Wari is for house / home. Okay? It means my father's house is very beautiful. Fiyai means food. But Fiyai fe, come and eat food. It means It was my father that cooked this food. Be Fiyai be embeleya, it means this food is not sweet. Be Fiyai be embele mi, it means this food is sweet. If you want to lay emphasis, you say Be Fiyai be embelela mo mi, it means this food is very sweet. Afen is sweep. When you wake up in the morning in a typical Izon family, you hear something like Mu Wari afen, it means go and sweep the house, go and sweep the floor. Okay? Mu enyi wari boloba afen, it means go and sweep your mother's room. Okay? Now counting from 1 to 10 in Izon language. 1 Kenny, 2 Mamu, 3 Taru, 4 Ning, 5 Sorú, 6 Sindie, 7 Sonomo, 8 Ningini, 9 Ise, 10 Hoi. Now 11 is like you saying Hoi and then starting from 1. So 11 is Hoi Kenny Fene. Remember, 1 is Kenny. 12 will not be Hoi Mamu Fene. Like that. So Hoi Kenny Fene, Hoi Mamu Fene, Hoi Tari Fene. Like that. Since I promised just 1 to 10, and that's where I'm going to end. Now I have a bonus for you guys. Now the English word wash has 2 words in Izon language. So when we are saying go and wash your plates, we have a different word for it. And then we are saying go and wash your clothes, we also have a different word for it. Interesting, right? Yes, I know. Now when you talk about plates, to wash plates we say Sorú. For instance, Mu pani bu Sorú or Mu eni pani bu Sorú, go and wash your plate. Now when it has to do with clothes, we say Po. Mu eni botwai bu Po, it means go and wash your clothes. So that's all I have for you on today's video. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please let me know in the comments and tell me what you think about this video. Would you want more of this video? And guys, if you have any video ideas for me, I would really love you to share that with me in the comment section, okay? With that, I'll say don't forget to laugh hard and love more.